Okay, one thing I want to share with you guys is this little edging tool that I got, which is so perfect. Let's hope I don't drop my phone in the paint. But you get your paint on there, not too much, get it as even as you can. And then when you have like corners, all you do, and see it's got these two little rollers on it, you just set that up against your corner wall and just go down your wall. Wow. Then you have like really perfect edges. Most especially like here, there's this edge of this windowsill. Okay, they tell you don't paint over paint again, but you should just run it on down. And ta-da! Because I'm a real messy painter. But now you can see you have a really good, let me see if I can see it. You can really see that you haven't made a big paint mess, and then you have less to paint over and fix up. So get yourselves one of these little trim things. They're really good. And today I got the one with the little hole in it, so you can, you know, do the up top part of the ceiling. And these are really cool. So super, super must have painting tool. Really neat. Loving this. Make sure you've got enough paint on it. And look at that nice clean line. Now something I do, which might be kind of hard to see, is because it makes like a really straight line here, and that'll show up sometimes in the paint. I just kind of feather it out a little bit, and then when I come back over it with the big roller brush, it looks just fine. You don't see that hard line. So, all right, wish me luck.